Hi, this is Bobby Lewis at Holiday Riverfront Resort, Parker, Arizona. Our beautiful riverfront home vacation rental. And just wanted to give you a quick video tour of this fantastic property. First, our lower deck, shaded, great fun, ping pong table, pool table, sitting area, walks right out to the dock, which is in deep water. And you'll notice here, the river kind of forms an eddy in front of our property, so it's a great swimming area. It doesn't flow too fast here right in front of our home. This is a true riverfront property with no HOA, no community dock area. It's private to this home. And this is the launch ramp, private to the home. You don't have to share with anyone here. Fantastic. And now we'll go take a look inside the home. And the first part of the home we'll take a look at is the 1-bedroom, 1-bath guest house. And you can see we're looking down the launch ramp. There is abundant parking here. Plenty of room for boats, cars, and trailers. That upper building you see in this picture is our garage, which is not part of the rental, but you do have parking all the way up to those front gates that lock up. So it's kind of like your own riverfront compound. And inside the guest house, which is separate from the rest of the house, a beautiful 1-bedroom, 1-bath studio with a small kitchenette, queen-size bed, sofa, tastefully decorated. A great add-on. The home is 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, including this guest house. And now we'll take a look inside the home itself. We walk in. Beautiful great room, sitting area, flat screen TV, and as you'll see, there's views right out to the river. It's quite spectacular, actually. You can watch boats go by. My favorite spot to sit in the morning to have coffee, if it's not outside on the upper deck, is right here at the table. And you can look for your friends and peeps that are coming up the river. Modern kitchen, not over the top, but very functional. And we'll go to the back. This is the second bathroom in the house. Tub. Third bedroom, full-size bedrooms. Second bedroom, and then the master. Very comfortable master, and I love the blinds on the windows. You can shut this down and be dark. Sleep in as long as you like. Master bath. And last but not least, the upper deck. Great for sunbathing, barbecue area. I love this area. We do have caddisflies on the river that come out in the morning on occasion and in the afternoon, depending on, sometimes it can be quite a nuisance early on in the day or at sunset for a short period. But when they do come out, you have this fantastic deck you can utilize. We love sitting here across those mountains there. You watch burros come up in the morning as the sun's coming up and in the evening. Just a spectacular place. We hope to have you here as guests soon. Have a great day from the river.